campground. This is the first one out of Pittsburgh, basically. It's about 26 miles. So I got some quick snacks at this help yourself fridge. Pretty cool. Not gonna lie, an RV would be nice right about now. Hello, Connellsville. Yeah. Let's get some food. Kickstand Kitchen. This is where I am gonna get some grub. I'm gonna need a garden hose soon. Oh my goodness. It's a little wet. I am at the very cool Kickstand Kitchen in Connellsville, Pennsylvania. And just like that, the sun comes out in Connellsville, Pennsylvania. Just had lunch at the Kickstand Kitchen. Yeah. I have a kickstand. This is my kitchen. High above the river. So I just got to the biker sites at the Kentuck campground, and I got a tornado warning for the next half an hour. So I have no basement to seek shelter in. So this is my best option. The latrine. I need to go anyway, so what are you gonna do?